Roasted potatoes. There's so many ways to make them, but the way I like them is soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's get into it. First, start by cleaning your potatoes. Here I'm using fresh creamer potatoes. They're naturally bite-sized like cherry tomatoes and are meant to be eaten with their skins on, which makes it that much easier to prepare. They also have that natural buttery taste and creamy texture. So here, I'm gonna cut them in 4. I find it makes the perfect bite size. Then I'm going to steam them for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the seasoning. Mix 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried onions, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, if you like it spicy, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Once the potatoes are ready, drizzle melted butter on them, or olive oil for that extra crispiness. Make sure they're shiny but not too greasy. Then add the seasoning and mix it all. Lay everything on a flat cooking pan. For better results, I recommend using parchment paper, but you can also use aluminum foil. Sprinkle salt and pepper and cook at 425 degrees for 20 minutes or until they start turning golden. And voila! Pair them with your favorite dish or simply eat them on their own. Enjoy!